धन्यवाद मैडम।
Good morning, all.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
सभी को
Good
नमस्कार।
morning.
सभी को नमस्कार। आप सब कैसे
गुड
हैं?
मॉर्निंग।
आप सब कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ।
हम सब ठीक है।
Hope you
ठीक हूँ।
good. Hope you are
ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद।
doing well. Good.
नमस्कार मैम, आपके?
मैं भी ठीक हूँ, धन्यवाद। We start for today's lesson. Huh? Are you ready for this one?
जी मैम।
Yes, sure.
Thank you. Good. Okay. Share. कैसे करना देखिए।
ซึ่งมันเป็นการตีความ
Yes. Okay. Hope my PPT is visible for you all.
Yes, it is.
Good. Thank you. Let's start. Okay. Now we are today in session 10, and we will learn 4 consonants: sha, sha, sa, ha, and visarg. In Hindi, sha, sha, and sa are sibilant consonants. Sibilants are sounds in which the tip or blade of the tongue is brought near the roof of the mouth and air is pushed past the tongue to make a hissing word sound. Sha, sha. It's just like a hissing sound. In other words, we can say sibilants are fricative consonants of higher amplitude and pitch, made by directing a stream of air with the tongue towards the teeth. These are intense sounds, which accounts for their paralinguistic use in getting one's attention. Sometimes we say, come here, right? This type. So, sha, sha, and sa, the 3 consonants in Hindi are sibilant consonants. You all know, hopefully you all know that Hindi is written in a script called Devanagari. The name of our script is Devanagari, and it is just for your knowledge, I want to share this thing that it is considered world's most scientific script because it is based and developed on the fundamental principles of phonetics. The orthography of Devanagari script is based on pronunciation. And because of this, there is no conflict of spellings. There is a separate letter for each syllable that is called, and each letter represents a distinct sound. And for this reason, one can write what he speaks. And this is the salient feature of Devanagari script, and it makes this script one of the most scientific script of the world. I am telling this thing because there are 3 sha. You are seeing in our slide that there are 3 sha, 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 and sa. Or you, the speaker who is not very well known about these letters, for him all are similar, but these are not similar because of their place of articulation and manner of articulation. All the three consonants are pronounced in different places, and if you know the place and manner of articulation very well, then you will pronounce it very correctly. Let's see. Very first letter sh. It is sh and pronounced as sh in shaw, show, shaw, ship. It is very common for you all. Hope there is no problem for you to pronounce this because it is very simple and you are speaking in every language. This sound is available. In English, there are 3 examples I have given for your ease: show, shop, and ship. The sound is sh. From where it is being produced, please see. It is a sibilant palatal. It is a palatal sound and voiceless fricative, similar to English sh, but often it is more tense in articulation. Sh. You will unmute yourself and please try to pronounce this with me. It is sh.
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 Yes.
Sh.
This is place of articulation. This is our palate, and it is being produced from this sh. Sh. You got it?
Sh.
Very good. Very good. Sh. With the help of palate, you will pronounce this correctly. From how to write sh, please see this slide. Sh. You will follow 4 steps and you will easily make it, and you can practice in your exercise books also with me. This is first step. You will take this one, you will make this round and put it here small. And then this is just like a ra you have gone through with the consonant ra in previous classes, but it is slightly different with that. This is this one. You can see my arrow also in slide. This sh. There are arrow markers. You can see this, the direction to make this sh. First, you move there, this one, and now you make vertical line. Start from over to below, and then you make a shirorekha, headline. Join dots. This one, first step. This is the next one. When you will get my PPT, then you will try it to make at your own. Okay, it will good for you and make the correct sh. This is the 4th step. You will make this line and then you will join this dot, which is called shirorekha. This is sh. Is it clear?
Yes, it is, ma'am.
Good. It is our writing procedure of making sh. We will come to the next slide. It is our pronunciation slide. I have made 3 columns in my table. First is phonetic transcription. Second one is Hindi word, how we will write it. And the third one is its English meaning. First you will listen to me and then we will pronounce together. Okay? Shuk. You can unmute yourself. You are, yes, very good. You can unmute and we will try to pronounce it. First I will pronounce and then you will pronounce. Okay. First letter is shak.
Okay.
Shak.
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 The meaning of shak is doubt. Shak.
Shak.
Shak. Shak.
Shanivar.
Shanivar.
Shanivar means today, Saturday. शनिवार आप बोलेंगे आज शनिवार है.
आज शनिवार है.
धन्यवाद
है should be Saturday. शनिवार. शादी.
शनिवार
शादी. शादी.
शादी.
शादी.
शादी.
शादी.
आदि
शादी.
आदि
Shadi. D is also long, so you will more time and pronounce Shadi. Shadi.
शादी.
Good.
आदि
Yes. The next is Shira.
Shira.
Shira. Shira is null.
Shira.
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 Shira. Null. The next is sheet.
Sheet.
Sheet means winter.
Sheet.
Sheet.
Shade.
Share.
Line.
Share.
Line. Shelja. It is a name of a girl. Sure. 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 Because if you please, if you are working something, so please mute yourself, and if you are pronouncing, then only unmute yourself, because some shore is coming from somewhere. Okay, now we will start. Shore.
Shore.
Sure.
Shelja.
Shelja.
Shelja
Shock.
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 Shock means
Shock
Shock.
Interest.
it is long.
Stress.
Shock, not shock. Shock.
Shock.
Shock.
Koshish.
Koshish.
Koshish means
Koshish.
effort. You use efforts for learning Hindi. Koshish.
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 Good. Machine.
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 machine
Vishesh.
Vishesh
You all are special for me because you are learning Hindi. Vishesh.
Vishesh
Vishesh. Good.
Kosh.
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 Kosh means
Kosh.
dictionary. Kosh.
Kosh
Shabt. Kush.
Ashok.
Ashok.
Kash.
Kash.
Kash. Okay. Now listen to me very carefully. Once I will pronounce this, and you will unmute yourself, and then we will in next slide we will unmute. Shak. Shanivar. Shadi. Sheep. Sher. Shelja. Shore. Shok. Shock. Koshish. Machine. Vishesh. Kosh. Ashok. Kash. Now, this is for you. Without phonetic transcription, I have made words starting from sha. You will try to pronounce yourself. Okay? Now you can unmute your.
Shareer.
Sharir.
Sharir.
Yes. Shareer.
Bash.
Next.
Shabash.
Shabash.
Shabash. Kar.
Car.
Shikar.
Kar.
Shikar.
Kar.
Shikar.
Shisha.
Isha.
Shisha.
Isha.
Good.
Sharu.
Shuru.
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 Shuru means start.
Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Priya.
Shukriya.
Shukriya.
Shul.
Shukriya. Shut.
Shul.
Shul.
Shul. Shul. Shul.
Sher.
Chok.
Next.
Sheka.
Chok.
Sheka. Shake.
Shuk.
Shok.
Shok. Shok.
Next.
Roshan.
Roshan.
Roshan. Roshan.
Next.
Vishal.
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 Good. Next.
Shah.
Desh.
Desh.
देश.
Desh.
भारत मेरा देश है. देश means country.
Pesha.
पेशा.
Pesha.
Pesha.
पेशा. Professional.
Pesha.
Peshaman.
देशुमार.
Peshamar.
Peshman.
Ashok.
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 शैतान.
Shaitan.
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 Good. Please be careful. It is matra word. It is long or short. If it is short, you will take slight some time, and if it is long, more time to do it. Suppose there is long e, it is shikar. Shikar. If it is long, shikar is small because it is small e. And if there is long e, so you will take more time to pronounce this one. Shisha.
Shisha.
Shikar. Shisha. You can
Shisha.
yes, you can
Shisha.
see the difference yourself. Shikar, it is small. Shisha, it is small. Is this long? She. Okay. The same thing is
Yeah.
shuru. U vowel sign u.
Shuru.
Shuru. Shu. And if it is long in
No.
word shul, so it is long and it will take more time than small u. Shu. Okay. Small is small vowel take short duration and the long vowel take more duration to pronounce the consonant. Okay. Shuru. Shul. The same thing is Ashok. Yeah, you will see that shok or shock. Shok is small and shock is long. The shok and shock. So you should be clear in the pronunciation and you will know is it short or long. If you will know correctly, then you will pronounce correctly. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay, great. Now we will come to the next. It is sha.
Sha.
Also a sibilant sound. But the difference of sha and sha is
Yardım mantısı. Başıma kül, kocam etislak diye.
okay. Sha is, you will see this one. place of articulation. How we can differentiate with sh and this sh? Both are sh, but it is pronounced, it is retroflex, and it is technically pronounced further back in the mouth. Functionally, there is a very little difference between the two in spoken Hindi, but the place of articulation is different. That sh was palatal, and this one is retroflex. We will touch the tongue on with retroflex and then pronounce this sh. Similar to shut, when we will say shut in English, the same thing will be pronounced in this sh. And not much difference in sh and sa, but place of articulation is different. And I just want to say one thing, that this sh, it is retroflex, and it is used only in words borrowed from Sanskrit. It is used only in Sanskrit words. See the pronunciation place. This is sha, and this is our cerebral portion. This is, you can see my arrow, and this red arrow, we will.
Sure.
This is sha, and this is pronounced from this portion. This is cerebral, and we will take our tongue in that portion and pronounce sha. This sha sound is used only in Sanskrit language, and when we will write Sanskrit words, we will use in writing and pronounce this sha. Okay?
Okay.
Good. Yes. How to write sha? Maybe you will recall yourself how we write pa. This is the sound. This is the method of making pa. This is sound of pa. In previous classes, you have learned making consonant pa. The difference of this sha and pa is only this line. You put this line after making pa, and then make shirorekha, which is called headline, and it is very compulsory in Hindi. It is very easy because you already know to make pa, very similar to pa, only the difference of this line, and you will put this line and it will take the form of sha. Till second step it is pa, and after that it will take form of sha when you will put this line. Okay? It is very compulsory to know and write this consonant because it is also available in many sounds in Hindi, and many words are made by this consonant. If some Sanskrit words will come when you will reading Hindi, so you will be familiar, so it will be easy for you to know what is this sound. Okay, now we see the words which are made with this sha. Little different to pronounce this, but hope and I am confident you will try and you will pronounce these words very easily. You can unmute yourself and you will pronounce with me first, and then you will pronounce yourself. Okay? Good. First listen to me and then you will pronounce it. First word is shat bhuj. This I have put the mark. This means it will
Shat.
be from this.
Shat.
Shat-bhuj.
Shataput.
Shatbhuj.
Shat-kon.
Shatkorn.
Shat-kon.
Shatkon.
Shast.
Shast.
Six.
Shast.
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 Vishay.
Vichay.
Vishay.
Vishay.
Vishay word is very useful for you. It means subject.
Vishay.
आप हिंदी विषय सीख रहे हैं तो यू आर लर्निंग हिंदी सब्जेक्ट विषय विषय
Vishay.
विषय
Vishay.
विषय
Vishay.
यू कैन से मैं हिंदी विषय सीख रहा हूँ सीख रही हूँ षोडश
Shodash.
षोडश
Shodash.
16
Shodash.
you can see here in this word the first is with retroflex and the second is palate sound sh and this is sh shodas two sibilants are there in this word first one is retroflex and the second one is palatal shodas slight difference vishesh
Vishesh.
there are also two sibilants first is palate and the second one is cerebral retroflex है ना? You are seeing this the difference of she and the difference of sh vishesh yes the next one is shesh shesh means
Shesh.
same thing is there first is palatal and the second one is retroflex next word is shashti
Shashti.
shashti
Shashti. Shashti.
good the next one is rishi
Rishi.
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 small e rishi
Rishi.
rishi next word is vish
Fish.
Wish.
Fish.
which means poison vish sheesh sheesh
Shirsh. Shirsh.
and then sheesh
Shirsh.
in previous class I have told you the the ra sound it will go upside है ना so the same thing is there sheesh ra and sha there is a combination of ra and sha ra is first letter of the conjunct so it will go upside hopefully you remember you are known for this letter sheesh
Sheesh.
Shirsh.
yes next is manush
Manush.
manush
Manish.
manush
Manish.
next is aushadhi
Aushadhi.
aushadhi
Aushadhi.
please try aushadhi good
Aushadhi.
aushadhi means medicine now this is for you will try to pronounce all one by one first letter
Rishabh.
Rishabh. It is a name of a boy. Rishabh. Good. Next. Next one.
Toshna.
Ghosh.
Ghosh.
If we will do some announcement, so it will use Ghoshna.
Ghoshna.
Ghoshna. Shoshan.
Shosha.
Shoshan.
Shoshana.
Shosha.
You will pronounce this after this one. What are you saying? Shoshana. Na. It is
Shoshan.
not na. It is na.
Shoshan.
Good. Shoshana. Shoshana.
Shoshana.
Shoshan.
ठीक. Good. ठीक है. ठीक है means
Shoshak.
next.
Shoshak.
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 Shosha.
You will see.
Shoshak.
You will see the meanings of that word side by side because it will be helpful for you also, है ना? तो शोषक means absorbent. शोषक.
Shosha.
Next,
Ashar.
it is long ashar.
Ashad.
Ashar.
Ashad.
Ashad.
It is little difficult. You don't worry. You will pronounce 2-3 times and you will be perfect. Ashad.
Ashad.
Yes, it is little difficult for you because you are beginners. So no problem, no worry. You will go through. It is ashad.
Ashar.
Ashad.
Good.
Ashad.
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 जी good. ठीक है. पाषाण.
Pashar.
Ashad.
Pa long
Pashan.
Shar.
long sha.
Pashan.
You will join this one. Pashan.
Pashan.
Very good. Pashan. Next.
Hoshit.
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 Oh shit.
Next one.
Avshoshit.
Avshoshit.
Shoshet.
बहुत अच्छा.
Shoshet.
आप you are doing very good job. Avshoshit.
Shirshak.
Avshoshit.
Avshoshit.
Next.
Shirshak.
Shirshak.
It is
Shirshak.
ra here, है ना? You are seeing this is symbol of ra, Dev, and we will pronounce shirshak.
Shirshak.
Shirshak. Very good. It means title. Shirshak. Purush.
Purush.
Man.
Purush.
Purush. Yes. Next.
Pasha.
Very good.
Pasha.
Pasha.
Hindi bhasha. Hindi language.
Pasha.
Bhasha. All these words are very commonly used in Hindi. Okay. That's why make a table and it will be useful when you will conversate in Hindi. So it is bhasha.
Pasha.
Hindi bhasha.
Hindi
Pasha.
Pasha.
Posh. Parishad.
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 Okay. Again you will pronounce this list one time more. You will pronounce yourself. I am listening to you all. Please.
Rishabh.
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 Next.
Roshan.
ठीक है.
Krishna.
Shoshan.
Shoshan.
Next.
Shoshak.
Shoshak.
बहुत अच्छा. Next.
Ashan.
बहुत अच्छा. Next.
Pashan.
Pashan.
Very good. बहुत
Pashan.
अच्छा. Next.
Goshit.
Hoshit.
Good. Very good. बहुत अच्छे. Next.
Avashoshit.
Good. Next.
शीर्षक
शीर्षक
बहुत
शीर्षक
बहुत अच्छा, बिल्कुल ठीक। नेक्स्ट।
पुरुष
पुरुष
बिल्कुल ठीक, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट।
भाषा
भाषा
नेक्स्ट।
कोश
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 नेक्स्ट।
परिषद
परिषद
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। बहुत अच्छा बोल रहे हैं आप सब, बहुत बढ़िया, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट। नाउ वी
जैसे टीचर है तो
थैंक यू, सो नाइस ऑफ यू। नेक्स्ट हमारा है, नेक्स्ट कॉन्सोनेंट इज इट इज वेरी commonly used in Hindi, and it is also sibilant, and it is pronounced as sir in English. You see in these words, sun, soul, soak. The same thing is, the same pronunciation of this sir is sir. It is dental sound, and it will pronounce from the help of dental position. Sir. We see the place of articulation. It is sibilant, as we have learned two sibilants before earlier, sha, sha, and this is third one, and it is sir. It is dental and voiceless fricative. It is also fricative consonant, and with the help of that dental, it will pronounce very easily. You will try to pronounce this one and see the pronunciation of place of articulation. It is sir. From this place, you can pronounce this sir. 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 You have seen till now 3 sibilants in Hindi. Sh, which is palatal. First one, है ना? It is palatal. The second one is sh. It is retroflex or cerebral. And this third sibilant is pronounced from the place with the help of tongue from this place. Predental कह सकते हैं. You can say it predental or dental. You will put the tongue and try to pronounce sir. Sir.
so
Yes. Clear?
yes ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Let's move the next slide. How to write sir? This is also very easy, and you in previous classes you learned making r. The same thing is this one. You can see my arrow in slide. This position is this one, r. This is second step, same similar r. This is also similar na. Difference is started from this fourth stroke. This is this. Okay. You will put this one after making ra. You will put this line and make vertical line. It should be touched with this one. The vertical line should be touched with this horizontal line, and you will make this vertical, and then you make the shirorekha or headline. Okay. We will see the arrow. This one is arrow. You start from this. Make this one. Arrow goes left side, and then it come below. Next, we start from that. Here, this one goes upside and then come this side, and you will make this line. In your copies, you can join the letters, join the dots. You will make it easily, very easy. This one. This, only 5 steps and 2 steps, 2.5 I will tell. I will say 2 steps, 2.5 steps you are familiar because you have already learned how to make r, and after that you will put the vertical line which should be touched with the horizontal line and then make headline. Okay, it is very easy. We will do it with very ease. Is it clear for you all?
Yes.
Now we can move on next slide. Now it is related with our pronunciation part. The 3 columns. First you listen to me and you will try to see the difference of palatal and retroflex sh, and this is very different from both the previous ones. It is sir and it is pronounced with the help of dental. To touch the dental, we will pronounce this one. Okay? Sub. You can mute your. I will pronounce and then you will 2 times you will pronounce. Okay? Sub.
Sub.
Sub means all. I will not go to the English meanings because the PPT will be released to you all. And it will be wasting of time. We will focus on our pronunciation. Sub.
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 Samachar.
Samachar.
Samachar means news. Samachar.
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 Macha.
Sabit.
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 Sir.
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 Seedha.
Sitha.
If here are 2 dots, it means it is long. है ना? So you will take long time. Seedha.
Sitha.
Very good. It means it is the longevity of the vowel sign. Seedha.
Sitha.
Subha.
Subha.
Morning. Suna.
Tuna.
There are 2 long signs. Suna.
Tuna.
Suna means desolate. Next, Seva.
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 Ser.
Ser.
Sona.
Ser.
Sona.
Sona. Meaning of Sona. There are 2 meanings of Sona. One is for gold and the second one is to sleep. Sona. Sona. So.
So.
Asan.
Asan.
Long sign. Asan.
Asan.
Good. Rasik.
Rasik.
Asim.
Asim.
Apsi.
Apasi.
There are 2 long signs. Long vowels. Apsi. First one is A. Then Apsi.
Apsi.
Apsi means mutual. Rasoi.
Rasoi.
Kitchen. Okay. Is this clear? One time I will pronounce. You will listen carefully and then we will move to second slide. Sab. Samachar. Sabit. Seedha. Subha. Suna. Seva. Ser. Sona. So.
Asan.
Rasik. Asim.
असीम
Asim.
Asi.
आपसी
आपसी
Apsi.
रसोई.
रसोई
Good. Now it is for you. You will pronounce yourself. I am listening. First one.
सफल
सफल
Next.
सपना
सपना
Good. Very good. बहुत अच्छा. Next.
सरकार
सरकार
बहुत अच्छा. Good.
साथ
साथ
साफ. Together we are learning Hindi. साफ.
साबुन
साबुन
साबुन. Good.
Sabun.
साथ
Sat.
सात
Sat.
बिल्कुल सही. Next.
Silsila.
सिलसिला.
सिलसिला
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 Good. Next one.
सीमा
सीमा
सीमा.
सीमा
Sima.
Next.
सेना
Sena.
सेना.
Sena.
Very good.
Sena.
Good. Next.
सोमवार
सोमवार
Tomorrow it is the week, weekday, Monday. Next.
सौदा
सौदा
Soda. Good. Next.
सूचना
सूचना
सूचना. सूचना.
सूचना
सूचना
It is long to सूचना.
उसका
Uska.
उसका
उसका
Is her. आसान.
आसान
Asam.
Very good. अफसोस.
अफसोस
अफसोस
अफसोस.
So.
अफसोस
Good.
सवाल
Yes. Okay. This is very important. This slide, please be careful to see this one. We have done dental on and palatal sounds. So there is a list of words having same words having different sa. You see, all the sounds are same, but only say sa is different. First is dental sa. You will pronounce with the help of dental, and the second list, the words are produced with the help of sha. Sha. These are palatal. Okay, but careful. The meaning of both words are different. Say, share. You can pronounce with me. You can unmute yourself.
शेर
शेर
Say.
शेर
शेर
You can see the difference. You can feel the difference of the sound, and the meaning is also different. First meaning is unit of mass, and the second one is shape. When we will put this sha, it will change meaning, and it will be used for lion. Share, share. Listen.
Say. Share.
Listen very carefully. My sound, my pronunciation. Say, share.
शेर शेर
Good. Course, coach.
कोश कोश
Course, coach.
कोश कोश
Suck, shuck.
शक शक
Suck.
शक
Pass.
पास
पास शा
पास
Pass. Pass.
Shut.
सर शर
तर शा
Shut.
शर
Sir. Shut.
Suckle,
सकल
shuckle.
शकल
शकर शकर
Shakal.
Shakal. Shal.
काल
ताल शाल
काल शाल
Shur.
Sur.
फुल शोर
Seal,
शेर
shield.
शेर
Shield.
Dental, seal, shield.
शेर
Seal.
शेर
Shield.
Seal, shield.
सेल शेल
Sala, shala.
साला
ताला शाला
Sala, shala.
Sala, Shala.
Shala.
Good. Sisa, Shisha.
Sisa.
Sisa,
Shisha.
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 Good. Sisa, Shisha.
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 Sisa, Shisha.
Sisa, Sisha.
Yourself and see the difference. Feel the difference of the sound s, dental, and the sh, that is palatal. So you will be clear what is the difference of sound and where we will use this sa and where we will use this sh. Okay. Okay. You will not do any mistake while using this sh and sh. Next, we will come to the fourth consonant. It is ha. Same English. Behave, Hindi, his, her. It is simple. Ha. Ha. And from where it is pronounced, it is glottal. From your this side, from this ha. Ha. You will pronounce this one. It is glottal sound, and features of this sound is voiced fricative. You will see this, and this is ha. This is cunt. From this beta sound, you will use this place, and you will pronounce it easily. Ha. 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 Same like behave, shift, Hindi. The same sound it is. It is easy for you. It will not much more complicated. That how to write? It is in writing. It is little difficult for you. Not pronunciation, but in writing, in orthography, you should be little careful, and you will see these steps if you will follow, and you will make it easily. This one, this how, this will go that side, and then you will. It is little difficult, but no worry. When you will practice 2 or 3 times at your home, you will make it very easily. This is, yeah, you will go that side, you will go here, and then you will come that side. And now, at last, you will make the headline. You can join dots also. This one, get small half line. Then you will turn this side and down this side, and here this side, and after that you will make this round, half round, and then you will put your pencil here, and then you will make it this. And now you will put Shirorekha. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Good. This one. Now we will come to this slide. I will pronounce, and then you will pronounce with me. Unmute yourself. First, please start. Hum मतलब we all. हम हिंदी सीख रहे हैं. We are learning Hindi. हम. It is color. Green color. Hara.
Hara.
Hara. Yes. Khilana. Khilana to you. Please. Yes. Good. Thank you. Hira. Both are long. E and R sound are long. Hira. Hira means diamond. Honor. Hubahu. Good. Hema. Name of girl. Hairat. Holy. Holy. Colors. Holy. Hosla. Hosla,
Hosla.
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 Sehat,
Sehat.
Sehat.
Sahara,
Sahara.
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 Mahina,
Mahila.
Hina.
Mahina,
Mahina.
December month, month of December. Paheli,
Aheli.
puzzle, Wajah,
Wajah.
Wazan.
Yeah.
reason,
Sipahi.
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 Sipahi,
Sipahi.
soldier,
Sipahi.
soldier. Okay, next this one. It is for you. You will pronounce and I am listening. Start.
Hawa.
Hawa.
Good.
Hawa.
Next.
Alka.
Halka.
Good.
Kiran.
Third one.
Hero.
Hero.
Karan.
Hoshiyar.
Hoshiyar.
Hoshiar.
Next.
Hoshiyar.
Ahir.
Ahir. Ahir.
Heer. Heer. Long
Ahir.
Heer.
Ahir.
Saheli.
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 Bahut.
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 Bahu.
Bahu. Bahu.
Bihar.
Bihar.
Very
Bihar.
good.
Hyderabad.
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 Yeah, Hyderabad.
A city. A name of city. Hyderabad.
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 Dahej.
Dahej.
Dahej. Sola.
Sola.
You are seeing in Hindi.
Sola.
The consonant can come in initial, final, and medial stage, and we can use all the vowel signs of that consonant. है ना? So that's why I have highlighted this in which there is he, this is he, this is who, this is long who, it is ha in the middle, and this is again part. This is in final stage sola. So this is very easy for you to know where it is used. Okay. We will come one more thing which is important for you. You will be careful in this. Okay, you hope you have seen or learned this before. In previous class, maybe it will be second or third class. You will see this one. This is re. This is vowel sign. You remember this one?
Yes.
Okay, good. So if we are using this one, what we say it is just first come this. It is visarg. Because it is related with her sound, then we will take this one first. Visarg, it is a sound of her. The symbol of this one is her, and it is translated as her in Hindi or English. It is identical with the sound her in Hindi, and it is used only in Sanskrit loan words. But it is still used in Hindi, but there are very there are few words having visarg sign. This is visarg sign. Visarg means this one. Visarg, her. The symbol, this one, if there is, you will see in some words this sound, so it means it will pronounced as her. See the examples. Prayah. This is visarg sign. The sound is her. Prayah means often. Pratah. Pratah. You can pronounce with me also. Pratah.
Prata.
Pratah.
Only you will remember. Only you will know this if in some instance you will see this symbol in Hindi, not phonetic transcript. It is different with the not phonetic transcription. If Hindi you see this sound, it means you should pronounce it as her. Prayah. Prayah.
Praya.
Raya.
Ratha.
Ha.
Yeah.
Rayah.
Ratha.
Prayah means
Pratah.
Pratah means morning. These all
Pratah.
are Sanskrit words.
Attah.
Punah. Punah means again.
Punnam.
Swatah.
Punnam
Swatah.
reverse.
You will leave because
Punnaha.
Falatah. Falatah.
Palataha.
Consequently. Okay.
Prataha.
You should be aware only. You should be attention. You take attention only.
Punaha.
These symbols of visal sign, you will pronounce it as ha. Prayah, pratah, atha, punah, tatah, falatah.
Falataha.
Words,
Swataha.
some Sanskrit words, in few Sanskrit words,
Parat.
you
Parat.
can see this sign. Okay. If any
Prayah.
in the next class also. Okay. Okay, now we will come on the last slide. It is re. As I told you, you have already learned this re. It is a vowel sign. But the thing is special. When you will pronounce re, it will pronounce as ra plus e. The truth is, I am telling this is vowel sign, but it is combination of ra plus e that makes re. ठीक है?
ठीक है.
Good. So it is included as a vowel in the alphabets, but in fact it is pronounced as a combination of ra plus e, that is re. It is pronounced. Okay. Now we will. This is re, our re, and this is the place of articulation of re. It is from this one, the same sure. We have learned sure. The same pronunciation is place of articulation are same of both. Sure and re are produced from cerebral or retroflex. And now we will now we know how the vowel sign of re will be added in consonant. See carefully the slide. This is our vowel re, and this part. This is you are seeing this part, and you will take it here. This, and when we will join it with the consonant, so we will join k plus re. And it will make three. Three. You will pronounce with me? Three.
Three.
Yes.
Three.
So since re is stated as a vowel, it has a vowel extension which is marked below the consonant. Here ka, it is our ka consonant, and this re will go here below the consonant. I will show you some more examples. Leave it. It is vowels ritu, but when it will be joined, the matra of re will join with consonant
Kripa.
this form. Kripa
Kripiya.
means please. When I will say please mute yourself or unmute yourself, so we will use kripaya. Kripaya.
Prepare.
Yeah.
Griha. Griha means home.
Kriha.
Grina. Grina is hatred. Brihaspati. Brihaspati. Jupiter. Mrit. Dead. Vrik. Vriksh. Prakriti.
Kriti.
Nature. Amrit.
Amrit.
Krishna.
Krishna.
Our God. Krishna. Amritsar.
Amritsar.
City. So then here are some consonants in which we have added vowel sign of re. Re, kri, kri, ga, gri, ga. gha. You will see this slide and you will be. देखिए, please see. This is our vowel sign. When we will join it with this one, so it will take this form. It will go below side of the consonant and it will take this form. The same in this slide. Kri. This one, ga. This one, gha. Ba plus o plus ri, bri. Ma plus ri, bri. Va plus ri, bri. So if you have to add re vowel sign, you will put it below the consonant. Okay? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, great. So today we learned in Hindi, sha, sha, sa, and ha. Sometimes which have two dots, just like longevity in our phonetic transcription, but it is quite different with this one. If you will see these vowels, this visarg, it means it is a Sanskrit word and you will pronounce it as ha. Ha, prayah, pratah. And this is our re matra, vowel sign of re, which we will call matra. It is below the consonant. Okay, for today it is okay for you and me also, and hope you enjoyed all my classes. And
Thank you so much.
if you have any,
ma'am, Dr. Pandey.
धन्यवाद आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.
आप बहुत धन्यवाद कीजिएगा. Please practice.
Have a good day ahead.
Please practice at your home, and next week we will meet again. Okay, namaskar, धन्यवाद.
नमस्कार बहुत धन्यवाद
Namaskar.
धन्यवाद
आप सबका
Thank you so much.
Thanks.
नमस्कार थैंक यू शुक्रिया
Thank you so much.
Namaskar. Namaskar. Dhanyawad.
Thank you, धन्यवाद.
धन्यवाद.